Buying crypto now, tomorrow, the next week, the next month, the next year won't change anything inside. What you need to understand is this. What are cryptocurrency all about? Why are you buying any crypto out there? Do you understand fully what the technology behind cryptocurrency is all about? Do you understand why it was created? Why do you want to buy Bitcoin? Why do you want to buy Ethereum? Why? If say you don't have answers to these questions, then never you buy any cryptocurrency. If you do, then you'll be gambling with your money and you might lose everything. The thing with crypto is, most of you think crypto is a business. You treat crypto as if it's a business. You put money and you want immediate, even businesses, you don't get immediate gains, but you want immediate gains with cryptocurrency. If say you buy crypto and the price goes down, you start saying blah, 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 the value of your cryptocurrency is dead. What if when you start doing business and you don't make profit? Do you also say that the value of your business is down? No, you don't say that because you understand what kind of business you're doing and you know long term you're going to make money, you're going to build a business sustainably. Businesses don't just wake up and make money like that. So you don't expect your cryptocurrency to wake up and make money like that. That's why you need to put enough research into what you're doing, what you're investing, what you want to buy long term. Let no one tell you, I'm going to buy this for you, I'm going to buy it for you. Let them educate you on how you can do it. And even if someone is going to do it for you, let it be someone who understands the market scenario, like the market dynamics, analytics, fundamentals, someone who understands the market fully so that they can help you to buy the right project. That's why I have this educational platform that will help you understand the basics of cryptocurrency before you can get in full time. There's no need for you to rush in cryptocurrency. No need. Like if say you cannot understand what it is, then don't go for it. Never you buy it. Like don't go for it. And if say you think it's a get rich quick scheme, then don't buy it either. You might get lucky to make money in the beginning, but in the end you might not be lucky. So I want you to take this serious. Crypto is good. It's one of the best things which has happened in my life. And I want to educate as many as I can out there to understand how juicy, how important, how great, how amazing the crypto industry is. Crypto can change your life, like for good. It will change your life for good if say you understand what you're doing, if say you follow the right people. Don't play with your investment, don't play with your money, don't play with success. If say you want to be successful, then you need to put the hard work to learn. Don't sit there and say you want to make money, but you don't want to put the hard work to make money. My friend, crypto is here to stay. Crypto will make you rich if say you want to be rich. Crypto is going to be, even if you don't buy any crypto. So you have to choose, you have to decide. If say you want to educate yourself first before anything else. And if say you choose education, then below this video, you're going to see links that you're going to join my group, my platform, where I can educate you throughout your investment journey. Until then, see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.